Hi, welcome to AppTV.com. Today we'll review an app, Ginger Keyboard. Ginger Keyboard is an emoji keyboard. Ginger Keyboard is developed as an advanced keyboard to facilitate easy typing across all the traditional applications like SMS and modern applications like WhatsApp, Facebook, etc. To start with, enable the Ginger Keyboard from language and input section and choose the Ginger Keyboard. Customize the keyboard by adding the languages and choosing the themes. In Add Languages, we have several options of languages. For this device, English US is the default language, so it will be auto downloaded. If you want to download any other language, tap on the language. In themes, based on your preference and desire, choose your themes. Few themes are for free, few themes are for price. If you want a package of themes, access from the packs. Under My Themes, you can access all the themes downloaded or purchased from the Ginger. The specific point about Ginger Keyboard, you can create your own theme. From the camera, capture the image of the camera and make it as a background to your keyboard. You can access the gallery and snap the image and to make it as a background to the keyboard. From the colors, select the preferred color to make the keyboard. From the button section, adjust the transparency to make the keyboard more beautiful. Let us try this keyboard. We have three sections in this keyboard. One is menu, where we can play games and check out the latest news and more. Smart bar option, where we can access all the options from the various apps without leaving the Ginger page. Proofreading, which will analyze our writing text and suggest for the changes for better text. Let us start. To enable the suggestions, tap on it. From the menu, we can access the themes, creation of the theme. If we like the Ginger Keyboard, share it with the friends using the communication apps. We can access the Ginger page, that is the existing page, and we can add or modify the languages. We can opt for smart typing, that is word predictions, auto replacement, quick fixes, auto spacing, auto capitalization, quick period, emoji predictions, and suggestion of the contact names and clearing the data on the device. We can also resize the menu. There are 5 different sizes has been provided. You can opt for whichever is preferred for you. In settings, we can access the languages, themes and layouts, sounds and vibrations. We can enable the key tap sound and enable the vibration and vibration duration. In the stream, we can access enable the swipe method to write, and in smart typing we can access the word predictions and auto replacement, quick fixes, auto spacing, auto capitalization. We can also create an account to personalize the keyboard. Other options are in the games. These are the small games for which can be played and for the have fun for the pastime. In theme section, access the themes and download the themes and apply it to the keyboard. Coming to the menu, we can access the right, which is the present page. We can opt for the translation, like translate, and we can opt for the definitions. These are the meanings, these are the definitions, and we can see the synonyms. We can also see the favorites. For this purpose, we have to log into this account using the Google Plus or Facebook or email. From the more, we can access the themes, creation of the theme, and tell a friend and spelling book. Once we complete the writing the text on the page, we can check the spellings using the spelling book, which where Ginger Keyboard will analyze all the text and suggest for the changes if there is any spelling mistakes. We can access the personal dictionary where we store our words along with the meanings, and we can access the settings. In the keyboard settings, we can access the languages, themes and layouts, and stream, smart typing and creation of the account. And in the dialect, for the voice input, we can select the English US or the English UK for better understanding. And we can provide a feedback to the developer for further improvement. Let us go for the right section again. Coming to the options at the top, we can share the text using the communication apps. We can ask for the rephrasing the text. No suggestions found. Let us try to see. Analysis. Rephrase the text. If we like any text, any rephrasement, we can opt for the changing. We can bookmark the text, and from the options, we can listen, copy or clear. Coming to the keyboard section again, in between there is a smart bar is there. From the Ginger, we can access the translate, rephrase, define and themes options, and we can create a event or open an existing event. We can create a task or open an existing task. We can create a new note or open existing note, and we can search for the apps or the words from the internet. Coming to the right hand side, this is the proofreading. We can seek for the proofreading. Let us type it some spelling mistakes, and artificial intelligence. Let us check for the proof spelling. Let us see this analysis. Let us check for the proof spelling, and on checking the proofreading, the proofreading will analyze all the text and it will suggest for the changes. Coming to the keyboard, from the number keypad, we can access the number keypad, and we can access the arrows for the left, right and bottom and top. From emojis, we can access the several emojis. We can use it in the communication apps for better communications. In addition to that one, we can use cracks, and we can use GIFs. These GIFs are supported by the Giphy, so we can use these GIFs for better conversations. It's taking time. It's taking time. Yes, these are the GIFs, which are a combination of these images, and this can be used for the better communication. Coming to the keyboard, with the space bar, we can tap on the space bar and change the language and add the language. This is the review of the Ginger keyboard. Overall, in our opinion, the keyboard looks great along with the advanced options and worth for the try for the team effort put in to make such a wonderful keyboard. It absolutely qualifies for the editor choice on the Google Play. We definitely recommend this keyboard to try. We hope this review is useful for you. For more app reviews, subscribe to the channel, and if there are any comments, please place them below. Thank you.